Final day of the week today, and we got break even again, which means a straight week of only break even trades. So coming into today's open, we were looking more bearish, just as we had inversed a hourly gap on this side, and we had created tons of fair value gaps down here on this leg. I was cautious as there was a 4-hour gap right here that we were just about to tap off. But from open, what I was looking for was for price to manipulate higher into this 15-minute and catch a continuation chart towards sell side down here. I was cautious. We did have data highs right here, but I wasn't really concerned right now unless I was certain it was going to be bullish, as there was just so much bearish order flow. As you can see, we did tap into the 15-minute right here, so from this point we were looking for some sort of inversion, but there was no fair value gaps to inverse in this leg, so we just had to watch price play out. The highest time frame fair value gap right here was the 4 minutes. What I was looking for was this 4 minute to inverse, then we would target these lows and these lows, but as you can see we didn't get this here. So yeah, we just continued to wait, maybe look for another setup. And at this point in the day, we were looking more like we were going to take date highs inside of this 4-hour bearish fair value gap. So I wasn't really sure what to take here. I was kind of just waiting for maybe a continuation long towards these data highs. But yeah, as we know, we are in a bearish 15-minute and my overall bias was bearish. So yeah, I wasn't too sure at this point. We then absolutely edged data highs right here, and there was an immediate reaction lower. So data highs were still unclaimed, which means it was a potential for a continuation long towards these data highs. So that is what I was looking for at this point in time. What I was looking for was for this discounted 15-minute gap to get taken, to tap into, and then an immediate reaction out of that, an inverse, so then we can take it. And that is what happened. As you can see, we tap in right there. We did create a 5-minute bullish gap right here. So I was looking for this to get inversed, and this was the highest time frame in the leg. So we did wait for this to inverse. And as you can see, that was an absolutely insane candle. I think this was like 70 points or something. Yeah, like roughly 70 point candle. But I was sure that it was going to take this. I just wasn't sure on the RR. So I did actually enter here. I placed my stop just below the inversion, as the stop was crazy and the TP wasn't too far away. And I did put my take profit to 1-to-1. And then I did break even at the data highs. Now I did know kind of this trade was going to be break even, as this was the major target inside a 4-hour gap. So from here we were going to see some reaction, but I just wanted to take a dig at it anyway, because sometimes it'll spike up, go through data highs and maybe tick this here to my take profit. But overall I was fine with this being break even. It just kind of sucks. So if you haven't guessed, we did go break even there, and then immediate reaction lower from there. So yeah, we got break even on this trade. And also after this I was thinking maybe there might be a reaction from this, so you could look for a short, but it was already 4, so the volatility was dying, and it was a Friday, so I didn't really want to get stuck up on this. But yeah, overall it was a decent trade. It just kind of sucks that the 5-minute closed up here. If it had closed a little bit further down, we would have got a nice RR on this. So yeah, the trade idea was there, just break even. So like the story of my week, to be honest, 4 out of 4 trades were all break even. Only one of them actually would have went to a full take profit, so that's good risk management on my end. Just hopefully price action gets better over the next week or two, as yeah, it's kind of difficult to trade in at the moment. But yeah, anyways, future me, are we profitable yet? See you tomorrow.